I can see that you're about ready to begin.
Bum 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 bum!
That's not the right song at all. Okay, ready to try. Boil cabbage down at a medium speed. First, we must check our strings. And then we must check our fingers. 1, 3, and 4 are the only fingers we'll need for this song. Make sure yours sound like mine. Now, medium speed, let's go something like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, go. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. Try playing along with it. Give it as many tries as you need, and of course, practice on your own and practice with me. And then practice on your own, and then practice with me. And then practice on your own as much as you like. And that's good for now. Good job. When you're ready, go to the fast speed. Good job.